Good morning, everybody. Mystic Modeler Bruce from the garage. A beautiful morning here. We're going to go down by the ocean today. Maybe drive on the beach for a while. But I want to. This is part 4, I believe, and I want to show you this green cab and hood how it came out. I think it came out really nice. There's a couple coats of pledge on it. If you can see it. It just came out beautiful. It's one of my better paint jobs. I took my time, light coats, about 4 coats. I like this color green. I'm going to use this on the green monster. I should say the green elephant funny car from Atlantis. I know Chris did that build got about 6-7 months ago or more, but that came out just nice. The hood's going to be gray on the inside, and you can see how nice that came out. Now they have decals with the stripes that go on the side like this. I'm not going to put them on. I'm not going to ruin it. I'm just going to put the other decals on and some numbers and stars, and there's enough chrome to go on there to make it look really pretty. So, and I've got the chassis with the radiator in. I'm still working on the mud flaps in back, painting those up. I got the ones in the middle painted up, but they're not glued in yet, as you can see. So a lot going on. I gotta do the interior now. That's my next step. I'm gonna put some decals on this now so I can work with it. There's a big American flag decal that goes on the back. I might put that on there. That looks pretty cool. And some other small ones. I have some small American flags I'm going to put on the side of the cab, and that'll be cool. So the green is beautiful. This is what I use, Tester's Extreme Color, and it came out just beautiful. I think this would be a good color to use for the green elephant. The way I see it, it's a little metallic. It's nice metallic on it. If you guys can see that, I know the light's not great, but so that's pretty cool. But that's all I got going on right now. I just ordered that antique Model A. I think from, is it ICM makes it, from Mega Hobbies, for about, I think it was 35 bucks. The one Charlie Mack got, and I'm gonna try to give my hand at that. That looked like a different kit. It looked like a lot of fun after watching Charlie Mack up in New England build all those old cars. I want to give my hand a shot at that. So we'll see. That's going to be coming. I just got that. Just ordered it this morning, and I got a lot on the plate. So there's a lot going on. I want to shout out to everybody out there, Max, Tom up in Wisconsin, you guys, Chris and Frankie and Vince out in Nebraska, and Big Charlie's Garage. It's coming out nice. I would get another kit. It's a nice size kit too. I like the scale. So we'll talk to you soon. Like Max says, model on, and guys, be safe, be good. I hope you have a great Easter. Happy Easter to everybody, and peace out. We'll see you all later.